2 days after a Muslim cleric and the AIMPLB spokesperson Sajad Nomani's video went viral where he was heard asking his supporters to boycott Muslims who vote for the BJP. The Mahavikas Aghadi candidate and actor Swara Bhaskar's husband Fahad Ahmed was seen striking a pose with the Muslim cleric, even as the MVA has tried to distance itself from Nomani's controversial boycott call. The BJP is now latching onto the picture of Fahad Ahmed and Swara Bhaskar with Nomani and is accusing the Mahavikas Aghadi of dropping the mask of appeasement. When Times Now's Arunil Saradekar confronted the Aghadi candidate and asked him if he endorses the views of Sajad Nomani, who called for the boycott of BJP supporters, he defended his meeting. He defended Nomani's support for Aghadi.
Also, we have seen the photographs, and he also met Sajjad Nomani yesterday.
Yeah.
And he's been advocating that, maximum vote should be given to the candidates of Mahavikas Aghadi. Yesterday, you went to meet him. Did you ask him for support?
I met around 24 Pandits. Do you know about them? Because it doesn't suit your agenda. There are so many Brahmins sitting in my house. Do you know them? No. You only know what BJP people asked you to run. I met so many Maulanas because I represent every religion. I don't represent only Muslim. I am a leader. I believe in secularism. Just tell me one thing. Whether Sajjad Nomani is asking to vote for Muslim candidates?
Yes, he is.
No.
Yes, he is.
No.
Sir,
no.
yes, he is.
Have you seen the list? Have you seen the list? How many Muslims are there in his list? Hardly 5%. 95% are Hindus.
In fact, Election Commission has taken...
95... Listen to me.
Yes,
95% candidates in his list are Hindus. But you will not run it. Shall I show it to you? Right now. Will you show it in the camera? Just show it to me. Come here. Come here.
But he has openly said that,
What? Muslim वालों को वोट करो.
Exactly,
No,
sir.
no.
Election Commission has taken cognizance.
Election Commission ने तो cognizance क्या? शरद पवार साहब का symbol भी छीना है. उद्धव ठाकरे साहब का सिंबल भी छीना है.
There is a complaint against him and it is being reviewed right now. In fact, you also met him yesterday for the support.
Complaint सबके लिए होती है. आप थोड़ा क्लोज आइए मेरे. ठीक है? मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ.
उन्होंने तो ये भी कहा है कि सर...
एक सेकंड. राजेंद्र अंबेडकर, डॉक्टर अभिलाषा गौडे, अब्दुल हफीज ठीक है, आपको मैं लिस्ट दिखाता हूँ. एडवोकेट केसी पड़वी, राजेंद्र कुमार गवित, किरण तड़वी, श्रेष्ठ कुमार नायक, प्रवीण चौरे, कुणाल पाटिल, संदीप बेडसे, बुद्धा पवारा, प्रभाकर सोवाने, एडवोकेट धनंजय चौधरी, डॉक्टर राजेश मनवाकर.
सर, बट वो एमवीए के कैंडिडेट है.
एमवीए संविधान के साथ खड़ा है. वो संविधान के लोगों को वोट करने की बात करें. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम इन इट? एवरी इंडिविजुअल हु बिलीव दैट बीजेपी इज ट्राइंग टू चेंज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. हाउ? लेट मी टेल यू राइट नाउ. Mr. Nawab Malik and his papa ki pari Sana Malik is using 50 crores in Anushakti Nagar Vidhan Sabha. This is what we called it, na, to change the constitution. Sajjad Nomani ने 90% हिंदुओं के लिए अपील की है. एमवीए क्या है? पाकिस्तान है क्या एमवीए? एमवीए बांग्लादेश है क्या? एमवीए भारत की राजनीतिक पार्टियों का गट है ना. उद्धव बाला साहब ठाकरे के पुत्र है ना. हाँ.
But don't you think asking vote on the name of religion is not right because it is against the constitution?
बटेंगे तो कटेंगे. तालियां बजाओ. तालियां बजाओ. बटेंगे तो कटेंगे. योगी आदित्यनाथ से हिम्मत नहीं है सवाल पूछने की कि हिंदू और मुसलमान को क्यों बांट रहे हो. हम हिंदू मुसलमान को जोड़ रहे हैं. मौलाना सज्जाद नुमानी ने कहा है कि 90% से ज्यादा
लेकिन वही कहते हैं कि जो मुस्लिमों ने वोट किया है उनको बीजेपी को उनको बॉयकॉट किया जाए. ऐसा स्टेटमेंट है सर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में.
दिखाओ.
उसके अगेंस्ट कंप्लेंट
दिखाओ ना. दिखाओ मुझे. मैंने तुमको दिखा दिया, तुम मुझे दिखाओ. सज्जाद नुमानी साहब बहुत ही लिटरेट आदमी है. वो दुनिया की पॉलिटिक्स समझते हैं. 25 पंडित जो अंदर बैठे हैं उनको भी पूजा शुक्ला को बुलाओ जरा. ये ब्राह्मण है. ठीक है. ये मुझे आशीर्वाद देने आई उत्तर प्रदेश से. इनके बारे में तो बात नहीं करोगे आप?
लोकसभा में
देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने कहा था अजीत पवार चक्की पीसिंग एंड पीसिंग एंड पीसिंग. आज वो कहां है? कैसे लोगों को वैल्यू देते हो यार, जिनकी जबान की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है.
So this was the conversation with my colleague Abhishek, who's joining us on the broadcast. Abhishek, very clearly being defiant after meeting Nomani, and this is after Nomani had given a very clear boycott call of the Muslims who have voted for the BJP. For those who are championing the cause of constitution, not a word of condemnation for Nomani, and instead he was not just being defiant but also seen angry in trying to defend himself. But no word on saying that Nomani was wrong in saying that we should boycott the Muslims who are extending support to the BJP.
Definitely, that is what the whole discussion was about. In fact, I tried to even ask him that, still, why are you supporting, or why do you require such kind of a support, where he's been clearly accused and he's against whom the complaint has also been registered at the Election Commission, and they are reviewing it, and that's the reason. But he has went on to defend him. And moreover, he also said that, MVA is not Pakistan or Bangladesh, it's a alliance of Indian political parties, and that's the reason he is supporting the Indian political parties. You cannot allege bias in that. He also went on to criticize Devendra Fadnavis, who has consistently made allegations of vote jihad during Lok Sabha polls, and the same can be seen repeated now at every level, whether it is Muslim NGOs or Muslim Munch. They are coming together, Ulema board making certain demands or conditional demands, and now Sajjad Nomani, who is openly, making such boycott calls for those Muslims who has voted for BJP. But on the other side, we clearly see how Fahad Ahmed is defending and making a point out there that Nomani is right on deciding, and he is also making a point that this is how it is, and he is also trying to make a point that he is favoring Muslim candidates, or being that part. He's also telling that I am secular and this is not correct, this should be not done. And you can also point out and understand where he is speaking about 24 Pandits and Hindus whom he is meeting, and claiming him to be a secular leader. But definitely, asking vote in the name of religion is not right. It's against constitution. But what is going on, it is clearly visible, and Election Commission will be taking action soon against the statement which are made by Sajjad Nomani. Back to you.
Yes, well, Abhishek, we heard you question him, Swara Bhaskar's husband and the MVA candidate Fahad Ahmed. We heard you question him on these claims that he is secular. But the question is, how is it secular when he is seeking the support of a person who is openly calling for the boycott of a few Muslims who have decided for themselves that they will extend support to the BJP, who is condemning Muslims for just coming out in support of a particular party? How is it secular? Stay on with us. This controversy breaking out just 3 days ahead of the Maharashtra polls. The BJP is now stepping up attack on the Maha Vikas Aghadi on the issue of vote bank appeasement. This picture has armed the BJP further, with the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, while sharpening his attack on the Aghadi, says they've realized that they are not going to win, and that's why they are relying on Sajjad Nomani for votes. Even the Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is slamming the attempts to divide the electorate while reiterating Prime Minister Modi's unity call.
देखिए, मैं एक बहुत साफ शब्दों में कह देता हूं कि ये सब महाविकास आघाड़ी की बौखलाहट है। उनको ये समझ में आ रहा है वो चुनाव हार रहे हैं, इसलिए नोमानी जैसे लोगों को उन्होंने आगे किया है। और ये सोशल बायकॉट की बात करना, मैं कांग्रेस को सवाल पूछता हूं, अब संविधान कहां गया? अब कहां है संविधान?
कोई जिहाद यहाँ नहीं चलेगा। यहाँ सब लोग एकजुट होकर मतदान करेंगे, विकास के लिए वोट देंगे। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका प्रयास का मंत्र है, उस मंत्र को जो हमारे यहाँ राष्ट्रवादी लोग हैं, जो देश को आगे बढ़ाने वाले लोग हैं, देश की संस्कृति पर विश्वास करने वाले लोग हैं, वो सब एकजुट होकर यहाँ की संस्कृति को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मीरा भाईंदर के जो हमारे कैंडिडेट हैं श्री नरेंद्र मेहता जी को भारी मतों से जिताएंगे।